Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit the opening balance here in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, what you'll do is just go ahead over to the top right, click on Settings. Alright, and here you have the Setup and Configurations section. And here we have Opening Balances. Click on it. Now, as you can see here, I have this one opening balance. Okay, just make sure at the left panel, again, you are under Setup and Configurations and Opening Balances. Now, in here, what you'll do is just click on the Edit button besides the trash icon. Click on it, and now you can edit your opening balance. Okay, maybe under Assets, you have entered a different amount under debit or no amount under credit. You can do that in here. Under Expense, add in some value, delete some value, you name it. Under Bank, like so. Liability, 1010. Equity right here. And Income. All right. And there you have it. Here you now have our new total, the new total amount, and the opening balance adjustment, which is 0. So once that's done, just click on Continue, review it. After that, hit on Confirm. It will say here, opening balances has been saved. Click on OK. Once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.